Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my new tutorial video, and this is your boy LB. So today I'm going to show you how I create this effect. So guys, before we jump on in Premiere Pro, and I just want to show you, and I just want to tell you how I shot this clip. So guys, you just put your camera on a tripod and then with the same background, okay? So now you shoot two different videos. Maybe you can use one or two characters, okay? But yes, doing something which is so different. Okay, so now as you see here, this is my first clip. Let me just drop it here on this timeline. Okay, now you see how this first clip it is. This is how my first clip it is, and then double click also, and then this is my second clip. Okay, you see guys, it is another character. Okay, so guys, you see it is the same frame. Okay, even the character was performed on the same position. Okay, this is my second video, guys. Okay, you see this character, it is on this position. Even the first video, even the first character, it is on the same position. So guys, what am I going to do? And I just want to put this clip one above of each. Okay, so yes, and I just want to click on this. Let me just click on this clip above. Okay, let me just go on this effect control. Let me try to reduce opacity, and I just want to see, okay, if this character it is coming. Okay, you see, yes, it is coming the same time. Okay, all right, so what am I going to do? Let me just click here on this top clip, guys. Okay, let me just come here on this rotation, and I'm going to add like a 180 degree. Maybe you can just scroll by rotating your clip something like these two. Okay, now you see to 180 degree. Yeah, this is nice. And then also let me just reduce the opacity of my clip. Now you see how this clip it is. So when I play, you see how it is, guys. This is where my first clip will be, and then this is my second clip will be. So what I'm going to do, guys, here is I'm going to mask this top clip. Okay, so and let me just come up here on this opacity, and I'm going to use this free draw bezel. Okay, so and I'm going to start to mask. So guys, you have to make sure, yes, you have to mask where the subject will be also standing. Okay, so let me just use these things. Okay, you see guys, you have to make sure you cannot mask your character. Okay, and then so let me just come up here also, guys, and I'm going to mask even the top of this character, guys. So here you have to pay attention while you are masking this video clip. So okay, and then yes, let me just even make sure, remember that this character it will just come up, you see guys, it will just come up on this side. Okay, that's why I have to move it down on the top, something like this. Okay, yeah, this is really nice. Okay, yeah, this is really good. All right, so and then let me also select my first clip. Now you see how this clip it is looking. Okay, so it will standing by here, guys. You see for this clip there is some edges. Okay, let me try to increase the opacity of my clip. Now you see there is some edges here. You see how this clip it is looking, right? Okay, so what am I going to do, guys? Here there is some errors, you see guys, here too. So and I have to increase my mask here too. Yeah, something like this. Okay, this is really nice. And then so and I'm going to feather my mask. Okay, just click here on this video clip and then increase the mask feather of my video. Okay, something like this. Okay, so and then when the character is coming up, you see how it looks like. Yeah, this is awesome. Okay, this is a real nice. Okay, yeah, yes, this is how I create this simple effect in Premiere Pro. Okay, so the things you have to do, guys. So guys, if you have any question about this video, please drop it in the comment down below, and don't forget to make subscribe in order to get more videos about editing, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and After Effects. And leave your thumbs up and share this video. Okay, and love you guys, and I will see you in next video. Peace.